Hello everybody, my name's Nathan, I'm 16 years old, and no, actually soon to be 17, but that'll be next week's video. So, today I'm talking about something that was on the Daily Mirror. In the Daily Mirror was a woman who put her kitten in the microwave for 5 minutes. Now the reason why she did this was because apparently it attacked her goldfish. Now, why would you do that? You attack my goldfish, so I'm going to attack you. That's basically what it is. Basically, the cat was only 4 months old. Sorry, I'm reading from the paper, sorry. But it was 4 months old. The RSPCA said that it could not get any breath back after it went out, so it died 90 minutes after it came out of the microwave. So because microwaves cook internally, it was cooking its organs and its heart and everything from the inside to the outside, so you'll probably be getting a crispy cat belly under that, which is absolutely awful. I mean, what stupid woman puts a cat in a microwave? You need to shove her in a microwave to teach her the lesson. That is what you need to do. She is getting banned for having pets. And, well, her sentencing is March the 13th, so the 13th of March. Now, there was a similar case about this a couple of years ago, not with a microwave, but there was this, I don't know if you remember, but there was this old woman who was walking down the street. She saw this lovely cat, stroking the cat, picked it up, shoved it in the bin. Now, that was an old woman. This is quite a young woman. The young woman did the microwave, the old woman did the bin. Now, why would you do that? If people are going to mistreat animals, they should be mistreated. Now, it is like, would you shove a human? Ask yourself this: would you shove a human in a bin? Would you shove a human in a microwave or an oven? You wouldn't, unless you're really a serial killer. Which, if you are, I'm not annoying you. But if you're not, then you wouldn't think of it. But yeah, you put the cat in the wheelie bin with rusty knives in the bin. What a stupid person. The woman who put the cat in the bin got death threats. So why isn't the one who killed a cat in a microwave getting death threats? Why is the microwave one smaller than the wheelie bin? Because the microwave is more serious than a bloody wheelie bin. The wheelie bin didn't kill the cat. Yeah? The cat was in the wheelie bin for 24 hours, I understand that. And the cat was in there for 5 minutes in the microwave. But it's the same thing. One died, the other one didn't. Right, so I'm going to put all the links down below. I'm going to put the link of the newspaper article of the cat on the microwave. I'm also going to put a video to a news report of the wheelie bin cat one, and I'm going to also put a link down below of my Twitter, which is at OANTHenry. If you follow me, I will follow you back, and you can also find me on YouNow and become a fan. So yes, please subscribe and have a nice day. Thank you very much. I'm going to have a nice day at college. Thank you very much. Bye.